Hello and welcome to a brief demonstration of Forecast International's Platinum Delivery System. The Platinum System is a revolutionary new interface powered by a relational database containing vast amounts of intelligence, including 10-year unit and value of production forecast statistics for virtually every aerospace, defense, and power systems program worldwide. Each numerical production forecast is accompanied by a written forecast rationale that clearly explains the reasoning behind the predictions. Our forecasts are based on sound research and facts tempered by years of analytical experience. This new application recognizes the intelligence requirements of each end user by analyzing their unique report criterion and instantly generates the appropriate information set in the form of graphical presentations, numerical spreadsheets, and written reports. The system is designed to arm decision makers with the intelligence tools necessary to make crucial and timely decisions. Users will be provided with all the necessary tools to understand their chosen markets. These tools include individual program reports, country and company intelligence reports, component supplier data, U.S. defense budget forecasts, military force structures, and more. The Platinum homepage contains several useful links here that will help users access important information and tools quickly. Note that the Contact Us link connects the subscriber with their analysts via email or telephone to answer key questions pertaining to their areas of expertise via our free client query service. The left-hand portion of the page contains the criteria selection menu. Here, clients can query the intelligence database within a single subscribed market intelligence service or across any combination of the 20 services offered by Forecast International. The criteria selection menu allows for refinement of custom reports in each of the areas listed here and instantly converts from US dollars to 6 of the world's top currencies. Let's choose our own set of custom criteria as a demonstration and run the report. Let's suppose we require information on the market for worldwide gas turbine electrical power generation. We'll begin by selecting the platform category from the pull-down menu. We'll select engines. Next, we'll choose the system data type. Industrial turbines are turboshaft engines, so we'll select turboshaft. We'll also require the subset descriptor, which is the type of turboshaft engine. We'll choose I&M standard turbines. Then the category of use can be selected. We'll choose industrial power generation. Note that as our criteria is selected in a descending order, choices within each of the remaining criteria menus change to reveal criteria that matches our chosen market. Moving on, we're able to narrow our query by country or region here in worldwide geography. We'll use the default for our demo, which is the entire world, to give us a larger data set. We can narrow our results further by choosing from a list of parent or manufacturing companies here under the Company menu. One or more can be selected using the Shift or Control keys. Lastly, we can select our currency from the list. Let's choose Euros and then press Go to run our report. The system auto-generates our intelligence information and defaults to the graphical presentation screen containing 16 graphs designed to deliver a rapid overview of our market extending 10 years into the future. The list of graphical links is located here and includes unit and value of production forecast bar charts, percent market share pie charts by manufacturer, by descriptor, by country, and by region, a subsystem value area graph depicting the forecasted subsystem values for each year, and a half dozen U.S. defense budget R1 P1 graphs. As you can see, regardless of the report that we run, we'll have an excellent snapshot of that market in just a few minutes. The system has hover over and drill down capability, so as we hover over any graph, the system displays its contents from the database. In this case, it's a listing of manufacturers and the number of units that each will manufacture each year during the 10-year forecast period. This is a powerful feature because it allows us to see the statistical elements that make up each market while visualizing the overall picture. By clicking on either Display Units or Display Values, Platinum will toggle us over to the statistical side of the program. The unit and value of production forecast statistics are displayed on these screens, and we can access both from this side of the program as well. Let's look at the values displayed in our selected currency, euros. From the pull-down menu next to each line, we have access to every program report for our chosen market, forecast rationales, relevant country and company reports, and corporate hierarchies. We'll take a quick look at a country report. These are located next to the parent company lines in green. This line contains the parent company Alstom, headquartered in France. Each country is broken into a minimum of 4 reports. We'll look at the 4 structures for France, containing the military organization, personnel structure, and a listing, description, and quantity of every piece of military equipment categorized by aircraft, warships, missiles, military vehicles, electronic systems, unmanned vehicles, ordnance, and munitions. Okay, let's close these screens and check out the U.S. Defense budget data. To access the budget spreadsheets, simply click on the Budget Spreadsheet button located on either screen. This will reveal links to the relevant RDT&E and procurement workbooks. We'll look at the procurement or P1 workbook. Each of the lines in the spreadsheet include a 6-year budget forecast along with branch of service, activity name, and program title. Understanding where the U.S. government will be allocating its funds is a crucial element in understanding the markets of the future. Okay, we'll close the spreadsheet and go back to the main Platinum screen. An absolutely crucial component of the Platinum system is that it not only gives us a visual overview of any market along with program, country, company reports, and budget data, but it gives us access to the full spectrum of underlying market data in the form of large, dynamic, multi-spreadsheet Excel workbook. These are accessed by clicking on the Spreadsheet button on either screen. These spreadsheets can be saved as proprietary internal documents within your organization, and users can alter or tweak the forecast lines or unit prices to shape the markets as they see them. Any changes made will ripple through the entire workbook to the numerous spreadsheets with built-in pivot tables and graphics. These can be saved as proprietary documents and utilized for more advanced and specific market analysis, which can then be incorporated into reports, PowerPoint presentations, and other documents. These workbooks contain the main market statistics spreadsheet here, plus 10 other spreadsheets containing unit and value bar charts, manufacturer's unit and value pivot tables, end user distribution statistics, value distributions by country and region, value distributions by major model, subsystem statistics by major model, and subsystem values, many configured with dynamic pivot tables that will adjust as you make alterations to any of the forecast lines or unit prices. These data in the workbook are the nuts and bolts that make up each market. They give the user an easy-to-use yet powerful platform for their internal projections used for the essential business development and strategic planning process of any successful firm. You can't buy a more powerful market intelligence and strategic planning tool anywhere, and you'll have access to our many analysts who are standing by to answer your specific queries. With Forecast International's Platinum Forecast System, you can be an expert in any market within minutes, and once you begin to customize the workbooks to project your own firm's specific situations, you'll be able to make crucial decisions with confidence and without the expense of a large dedicated staff of market analysts. This concludes our short demonstration of the Platinum Delivery System. Thank you. Longer, more detailed presentations can be viewed at www.fiplatinum.com, or you may contact our representatives using the email address or phone numbers listed on the screen. Thank you for your interest in Forecast International. Have an excellent day.